So, you think motorsport is super. What if you could actually take part in it? Let's get you in on the action with how to become a motorsport official in 4 simple steps. Here's what you'll need: an internet connection and some free time. Got that? Now you're ready for step 1. Become a Motorsport Australia member. Point your browser to motorsport.org.au. Head to the member portal and click Sign Up Now. After entering a few details, you're ready for step 2. Submit your application. Under your new member number, you can apply for competition licenses, media accreditation, and of course, an official's license. Once your application is submitted, it's time for step 3. Complete your training. This step is super simple, designed to get you around the basics. Complete the training and exam. Now it's on to the step you're excited for. Step 4. Race day. From local club sprints to off-road racing to the dizzying heights of international events, bring your love of motorsport to life among like-minded people as a Motorsport Australia official. Find detailed instructions and more ways to help you make it super with Supercheap Auto's Super DIYs. Make it super at Supercheap Auto.